France is the most visited country in the world, with over 89 million tourists annually. The Eiffel Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, was originally intended to be a temporary installation for the 1889 World's Fair. France is the largest country in the European Union by land area. The Louvre Museum in Paris is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in France. French is the official language of 29 countries, making it one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. France is often referred to as l'Hexagone because of its six-sided shape. The country is famous for its exquisite cuisine, including dishes like croissants, escargot, and coq au vin. The Palace of Versailles, once the principal royal residence of France, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. France is home to the Cannes Film Festival, one of the most prestigious film festivals in the world. The French Riviera, known for its stunning coastline and glamorous resorts, is a popular vacation destination. The country is the birthplace of famous artists such as Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, and Paul Cézanne. France is known for its high-speed trains, including the TGV, Train à Grande Vitesse, which holds the world speed record for conventional trains. These facts showcase the rich cultural heritage, culinary delights, and unique contributions of France to the world. If you found this content interesting, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.